Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the U.S. Air Force MOSs, or their jobs, and they're also called AFCSs, which stands for Air Force Specialty Code, and most of their job, or all of their jobs, are segregated into different kinds of codes that they have. And the troops, it mainly just tells, like every other MOS, the troop specialty, just like an MOS, like I said before. The Air Force used to be attached to the Army, as I said in the previous video before, but they split in 1947, and the U.S. Air Force decided to get rid of most of the jobs that were on the ground, mainly. And in 1954, they created the AFCS. Then in 1993, they reconstructed basically everything, adding way more MOSs, and this also took down many of the officer MOSs from 216 jobs to 123, which is a big change, and it changed the enlisted AFCSs from 203 to 176. One of the most important AFCSs is 1Z, which is the code for it, and it stands for Special Warfare. And there are 4 different kind of special warfares that are mainly on the field, which are pararescue, combat control, tactical air control, or TACP for short, and special reconnaissance. 1T is Special Warfare Enabler, and that is the only job that is in that is SEER, which stands for Survival, Evasion, Resistance, and Escape, with the code 1T0X1. The AFSC's code 2 is all about maintenance and logistics. Some of the jobs in this include aerospace maintenance, bomber refuelers, aircraft fabrication, and maintenance for missiles and space systems as well. And they basically just refuel everything and keep maintenance for everything in the military or in the Air Force. The AFCS code for 3 specializes in mainly support. Some of the jobs that are in this code name is civil engineering, force support, public affairs, and security forces. And mainly their jobs are pretty self-explanatory by their names. Their number 4 code is dedicated to medical, such as pharmacy and medical laboratories, and that's basically it. It's just medical things. AFCS or AFSC 7 is all dedicated to special investigation, or OSI, and they basically just investigate any issues that are going on inside the Air Force. 8 specializes in special duty identifiers, such as recruiters and drill instructors. Many of the Air Force's SCSs, that there are many of them that are no longer in use. Like I said earlier, a lot of them got cut. And some recent ones that got cut are mainly their cybersecurity jobs. And the reason why these cybersecurity jobs got cut is because when the Air Force split into the Air Force and then into the Space Force, most of the cybersecurity jobs went into the Space Force. Officers, as I said earlier, have basically the exact same order from 1 to 9, except for some of their jobs are different. Like, enlisted ranks cannot be pilots, but officers can be pilots. And officers can be pilots of bombers, fighters, planes, and basically anything that flies like that. But that's all I have today.